All right. I see a puddle up there. Do your thing. Gonna jump? Nana? Nana has to jump. Oh, it's Nana's turn. Okay, you want me to go? Do you want me to do it now? All right. Gotta watch out, I'm coming.
Watch out, here comes Tara. She's gonna jump.
All right, watch out. Boom! Yeah, puddles. Yeah, show us how you can jump. See that little one? Oh, that's a big puddle.
Oh, Nana doesn't want. This is too big a puddle.
Look at that little guy over there. What about this one? Nana, jump in the puddle. Do it, Nana, do it. All right, woo! My turn? Okay, I'll take the plunge. Watch. Boom! Don't you do it, that's too much water. You have little feet. Oh. Splish splash.
Okay.
Oh, get out of there.
Soaking.
Oh man, Bridget's gonna be so mad at me. Alright, let's go. You wanna go home?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back to the house.
Your feet are